वेलकम टू CMG क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है दोस्तों वंस अगेन एंड इट्स very cloudy weather outside right now and but very clear weather for our altcoins and we are at the doorstep, we are knocking the doorstep of altcoins right now, and altcoin boom is coming as the door is opening slowly. So stay invested in your altcoin, do your research. As I told you that I already invested in VAT. One is good blockchain and it will definitely achieve $1 mark very soon. HBAR is good, EPS is good, DGP is good, ONT ontology is also good, and right now I am making good profit. This is current worth of my one of my Binance account, and this account is dedicated to all the altcoin investments. Lena, Just, Cause, MBL, IQ, Rose, IoT, QSP, all these I am holding and I will hold for very long time. Minimum I will hold VET and one up to $1 mark. So if we calculate, then this investment will definitely cross $2 million. So what XRP, now we will talk about X altcoin. This video is dedicated to altcoin. XRP price prediction. As XRP is growing, and right now we can see that XRP is in number 5 and $1.61, and XRP price show a solid bullish was that has led to a 25% spike over the last 24 hours. Zipper retraces 7% as bulls take a breathe. Okay, 20 upswing will push the remittance to come to new yearly high at $2. Yes, definitely it is going to be a $2 mark. And also Cardano ADA is good investment for to make good money, $2. But if you missed these coins, then go for altcoins like Sia coin, like VeChain, like Harmony One, VET, like Lena, Bake is also good investment, and we can say today it is 8.11% up, and it's at $6.16. And what is Bake? What is the purpose of Bake? What Bake is doing? Bake is we can see a DeFi, decentralized finance, a crypto exchange, a liquidity provider. We can see the bakery work, and it will be soon like Uniswap and SushiSwap. It will make you good money like this, Uniswap. And we can see that VeChain also rallied 14%, more than 14%, and it's right now at 23 cent and more than 23.5 cent. And VeChain price prediction, VAT ascending, okay, triangle point to more upside. 13 billion current market cap, 15th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. VeChain price again this week as part of the rally of most altcoin. Indeed, currencies like Cardano, Doge, and Ethereum have all okay. VeChain, its price prediction, as I think you will definitely make good money if you will invest in it for a long time, and it will go to more than $1. As you can see, Doge history. Doge was below the 1 cent, and right now it is more than going to $1. And similar story this coin will make for you, but you have to believe in your investment. You have to hold it tight and for a long time. Stellar is also good investment, and XRP, I told you that it is right, it will touch $2 very soon. ADA is also going to touch $2. We can see lots of news coming for ADA, and ADA development phase is in the final stage. And bakery, we can see bakery swaps, Syscoin on uterus rally as the altcoin season kicks into high gear. So it's time for bake. We can see. This is the bakery swap ecosystem caters to both the decentralized finance participants and the non-fungible token cliently with over 28 million in NFT trading volume. BakeSwap is the leading NFT marketplace on the Binance Smart Chain. You can see, and they always first do your complete research. See the backbone of the company, see their business, see their research about their business potential, then invest in that coin. This is the fundamental for making huge money, to avoid your losses. And the major fundamentals is you will not make money overnight, you will not be millionaire overnight. You have to be for long, stay for long investment. You have to be invested for a long time in your coins, in your stocks, in your property, in your any business where you want to make money. So BakeSwap launched the car initial decentralized exchange offering on May. The owners of the car token can convert it into a car NFT design, and as Bake is growing, their token will also grow. As they are increasing their services, their token will also grow. Bake sold from $1.12 on April 25 to $8.49 on May 2nd. A 658% rally in the 8 days. Usually such strong rallies are not sustainable. Okay, so stay close. So keep close eyes on your finances, on your investment too. And VeChain, we can see lots of news coming. VeChain is also increasing their product, their services. So it will be soon a good investment for you. And as I told you that these numbers I am holding more than 1 million, and one is also a good investment. Right now it is around 14 cents, but stay invested in this, and you will definitely see $1 price mark for this one Harmony token too. Harmony coin, it's a blockchain, not a token. And VeChain is also a blockchain. And lots of rally for altcoins, like crypto.com is also a good coin for your investment, because it is a cryptocurrency exchange. And as people are coming from all over the world investing in the crypto market, they need exchanges, they need more exchanges to make money. So exchanges all over the world, crypto exchanges all over the world are growing right now. And Polygon Matic is also good investment. Once I purchased it for 50 cents, but by mistake I sold these for only getting 3 cents in profit. 53 cents I sold, but we can't as the market is going, we can't catch them right now. NUM is also a good investment, and Chiliz is also a good investment, but I bought it around 55 cents. Right now it's on 51 cents, more than 51 cents. but no issue, no any worry, because it will definitely run. Holo Hot is also good investment. Zilliqa is also a good investment. Zilliqa is a blockchain. And T Fuel, yes, it is good investment, and I bought it. I forget, but as I think I bought it around 30 cent. Yes, it is now at 40 cent. CKB is good investment. Digibyte is a good investment. On T, definitely go for it. I bought it for $1.90. Right now it is $2.50, around $2.50 right now, and definitely it will go to $10. Okay, but wait for long. And Telcoin, you can see the rally, what a rally in Telcoin and Siacoin. Definitely it will grow, because all over the world people are coming to social media marketing. They need more decentralized space, storage space. So people need privacy, and decentralized storage space provider is biggest storage provider is Siacoin right now. And it's at very low cost. As Amazon, you can compare with other service provider like Amazon and others. They are charging more than $20, more than $25 for 1 TB of cloud storage space, and that is centralized. But Siacoin storage space is decentralized and completely at very low price, around $1 to $2 for 1 TB. Okay, so friends, I'm from India. Sometimes my English is not good. I'm trying to speak good English. So please manage with my English, my pink English. Manage with my pink English. I'm trying to learn English right now. So please, but my research is very deep. I read a lot for you. I studied a lot for you about these cryptocurrencies. So please, I am very sorry for that. Due to my pink English, my English is right now not good, but I try to explain so you can understand my English. Okay, Harmony is good, as I told you. It is good investment, and I purchased Harmony at 14 cent, but right now its price is below 14 cent, but no worry, it will definitely cross $1 one day. So, and I investor, I Harmony, and I purchased these numbers. More than 1 million coins I have, and Bakery is good investment for you. Rose is good investment. Please, and do your own research, not mine. I always try to speak truth. I'm not the guy like that person that buy this, sell this. I always research, then invest, then I tell you to invest. But it's your decision, you want to invest or not. It's your money, your decision, and your risk. So before investing, you do your own research. And please hit the subscribe button, share this video to your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, so I can get reward from your shares, so that maximum persons can get maximum persons can make money with my deep research. This is, and please also make a good comment. And if you want to know more about any cryptocurrency or anything, please make a comment so I can make a video on that too. Okay, bye bye, alvida, namaskar, and please manage with my pink English. My English is not right now good. Bye bye.